Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are back again here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our last game. It's the UNC Greyhounds versus the USI Falcons for the juniors basketball. Ito, Rick, kasama pa rin ang inyong commentators. I am Cristina Elcanzo Reyes.
And I'm Rick Puerta at kami po ang makakasama nyo dito sa ating last game ngayong araw na ito. Again, a matchup between the UNC and the USI. So sino kaya ang makakakuha ng first win nila dito sa ligang ito?
Ayan nga, sinabi mo nga kung sino ang unang makakakuha ng panalo because these two teams, galing pa lang sila sa talo nila for the last week ng ating Bucal Season 5. And ngayon, maglalaban sila. Ipapakita nila kung sino nga ba talaga ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayong araw na ito.
Yan, talaga namang kaabang-abang ang game na ito dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. At bago natin umpisan dito sa dalawang team na maglalaro ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin yung nangyari kaninang third game.
Ayan nga doon sa ating third game, it's the defending champion NCF Tigers versus the Annunciation Panthers kung saan nga nakuha ng Annunciation Panthers ang kanilang pangatlong panalo, which natalo nga ang ating defending champion, the NCF Tigers, pero napakagandang performance naman talaga ang pinakita ng Annunciation Panthers na yon.
Yes, kaabang-abang nga ang mga aksyon at bakbakan dito sa loob ng hardcourt. Live na live tayo sa One Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page at sa ating Bucal Facebook page, and also live dito sa Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Again, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-like, follow and subscribe sa ating mga Facebook pages. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-like na!
Now, we are going to start our matchup between the UNC Greyhounds and the USI Falcons. At yan nga, para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, tawagin natin ang ating na si Icy. Hi Icy, anong update natin dyan?
Hola Rick and Tin, good afternoon, gorgeous of our viewers via Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV 48 and Naga. We are currently broadcasting live from the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. After a long break, the Bucal Season 5 Juniors and Seniors Division is back on track. This is Icy Cortez all the way from the bench of the University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds. At dahil nagkaroon tayo ng mahabang pahinga mula sa mga laro, the Greyhounds are also making a long-awaited return to the hardcourt. From their last game, talaga namang naging mainit ang laro laban sa SVC Rams at nabigong makuha ng Greyhounds ang kanilang unang panalo. However, the Greyhounds are training constantly and preparing their game plans in preparation for this match in order to enhance their chemistry and come back stronger. Nawala man ng kanilang mga best players, hindi ito magiging hadlang para maipakita ng Greyhounds ang kanilang galing sa larangan ng basketball. These are the updates from the Greyhounds. Once again, we are live in Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Prepared and ready dito sa ating larong ito. Kasi sino naman ang hindi magiging ready kung makukuha nila ang first win dito sa ligang ito?
Yan, kaya aabangan natin kung ano nga bang maipapakita dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds as we are starting our first quarter. And one of the players on the side of the USI Falcons is down. I think is having an injury. Yan, si jersey number 13. Dito sa ating USI. It's Nash Francis Sumadsad. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the USI Falcons, tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chan. Hi Chan, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. It's so nice to see you both again. And of course, good afternoon. It's another day full of basketball action. Panibagong Sabado na naman na puno ng aksyon at tensyon dito sa Bucal Season 5. Live at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Mga kaibigan, I am your courtside correspondent, Chaira, on the side of the Falcons. Coming from their loss last game against Hawks, and despite the pressure they are experiencing, most of the players are now pumped up to perform on the hardcourt. So stay tuned to our Bucal Facebook page and to One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan muna, and I'll be back for more updates. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun din, ang main goal talaga dito ng dalawang kupunan is to win their first blood to win their first win here in Bucal Season 5. So, back to the ball game nga tayo, Tin.
Now ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. On the corner.
And now, jersey number 42. But no good for that last sequence. And now, Coros having the opportunity for the team of the UNC Greyhounds. First attempt. No good. One more try for Coros. Again, Coros. But this time, clean basket on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Grabata, team captain of the Usi Falcons, with the ball. Nahahanap dito ng mapapasahan. Papasok sa loob. No good.
Ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds. And the whistle coming from the referee. Ball possession ngayon ng Falcons.
Now, Baidal to inbound. Passes to Grabata. Now, Hoshan. Tatawid ng bola now for the USI Falcons. Passes to Grabata. Grabata diretso. Offensive rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Now, Hoshan. May hawak ng bola for the 3. No go. It's blocked.
Now, rebound ngayon ang ating UNC Greyhounds. But a whistle coming from our referee. Again, the ball will stay on the side of the Greyhounds. Tuwazon to inbound. Now Tuwazon tries for that long three. No good.
Rebound para dito sa USI Falcons. Now Grabata handling the ball. Now hahanap dito ng papasahan. Tries for 3. No good.
Rebound on the side of the Greyhounds. Libreng-libre on that last sequence, and Coros with that point.
Again, Grabata of the Falcons. 3-0 nothing run para sa ating last matchup. But there was a whistle foul, and the ball will stay on the side of the USI Falcons. "14 seconds for the side of the Falcons. Assist to inbound. Now passes to Hoshan. Hoshan hahanap dito ng mapapasahan. The jump shot. That's good. The first basket for the side of the Falcons.
And now, Coros ngayon ang tatawid ng bola. And a block and a whistle coming from our referee. Tatawagan dito ng foul. And now Coros again on that free throw opportunity para dito sa ating Greyhounds. No good for that first attempt.
Ayan, Rick, bago tayo magpatuloy, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Elite Sportswear, Beg's Diner, and we have Ayanas. Of course, the Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion, Gold Glafa Construction, Lamon Residences, Lamon Experience Home Living, Anjana Trading, presyong maasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. BMEC Premium, sa toong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. And CF Wings, because tigers can have wings. Maraming salamat po. Now, back to the ball game tayo, Grabata. for the USI Falcons. Passes to Hoshan. Hoshan, what a great pass! Pero nadulas nga sa kamay dyan ni Asis.
And now, ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds. And a substitution para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Ipapasok ngayon si Portasio.
Yan, nasa loob na rin si Adorna, kapalit ni Hoshan para sa USI Falcons.
Now Tuazon to inbound. Greyhounds ngayon ang tatawid ng bola. Again, Tuazon ang may hawak ngayon. In the middle, Chorus with that jump shot, no good. An offensive rebound para basket. Makakakuha pa nga dito ng free throw ang koponan ng UNC Greyhound. And now Rio Dique on that free throw line.
No good. And now rebound on the side of the USI Falcons. Ball possession pa rin yan. And there was a whistled foul here. Now Asis passes to Grabata. Nahirapan sila sa opensa at
What
depensa
a
ng
great
UNC.
steal. Now Tuazon looking for his teammate. Coros. Grabing agawan ng bola, Tin, ang nangyayari.
Now, Falcons. Grabata ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Again, there was a whistled foul here. So Grabata will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. It's 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. 2-5 sa ating talaan dito. 3-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Now, for the first attempt of Grabata, that's good. He will try again for the second time. Again, that's good for Grabata, team captain of the USI Falcons. Now ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds. 28, passes to 14. No good. Rebound yan ng ating Falcons. So there's a pushing foul para kay jersey na. Now, Grabata passes to Asis. Grabata again. May hawak ng bola. Kanino kaya niya ipapasa? Grabata papasok sa loob. Block by the Greyhounds. Now, passes to Asis. Pero wala yan. Ball possession on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Matindi talaga ang pinapakita dito ng Greyhounds pagdating sa depensa, kaya naman nahihirapan dito makapuntos ang ating Falcons. And now, Agnas to inbound. Jersey number 28, Derecho. An offensive rebound on the side of the Greyhounds. Again, whistle coming from the referee. No, Portasio ngayon stepping on that free throw line.
Yan, Rick, shoutout muna tayo sa ating live viewers dito sa Bucal Facebook page. Shoutout kay Elpidio Del Rosario, kay Lorly Tanjay, Ann Breboneria, kay Eloy Sagi, na binabate dito si jersey number 12 Baksain sa side ng I think sa side to ng UNC Greyhounds. And shout out kay John Andrea Beliper. Thank you so much po sa inyong pag-antabay.
Again, Greyhounds ang may hawak ngayon ng bola. No good for that long three. Again, an offensive rebound.
Wala pa rin now. Grabata, di diretso sa loob. And that layup, may kasama bang foul? Now he will be on the free throw line for a 3-point opportunity para dito kay Grabata. We are tied on 6 for our first quarter. 4 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Now Grabata for his bonus point. No good. Offensive rebound by the side of the Falcons. Again, Grabata with the ball. On the corner, step 3 coming from Bonnie Sile. Napakaganda nun. From the side of the Falcons. Now one of the players of the UNC Greyhounds is also down.
Now Agnas to inbound. Passes to Seneta. Seneta ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola. Here's number 28. No good for that jump shot.
Now, Adorna. May hawak ng bola. Munti ka nang mawala. Ball possession pa rin ng ating Falcons. Grabata now. Again for the second time. Medyo dumululas. But there's a traveling violation called by Beconcile. Napatawag na nga ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds. 9-6 sa ating talaan with 3 minutes and 24 seconds remaining. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Pero bago po yan, pasalamatan ng ating have the Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Huya Outer Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, first world-class indoor firing range in the Bucal region. SM Sirinaga, NCF Training Pool at NCF Driving School. Maraming salamat po.
And pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga live audiences dito sa ating ATENEO Dinaga Gymnasium na patuloy na tumututok sa bakbakan between the USI Falcons and the UNC Greyhounds.
Ayan nga Rick, napakaganda ng pag-umpisa ng lawang ito ng dalawang koponan. For the side of the USI Falcons, for that dip 3 of Beconcile, as well as the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now ball possession ngayon Greyhounds. In the middle, and it was good. Sa mano pa dito ng free throw opportunity para dito kay Sabadaw. Now UNC Greyhounds for that free throw opportunity again. No good, but an offensive rebound. Again in the middle. No good.
Now, rebound on the side of the Falcons. Geronimo. Didiretso. Wala yan.
No ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds. Libreng-libre on that last sequence. Seneta with the big points.
Yan, nakuha nga muli ng Greyhounds ang 1-point lead against the USI Falcons. Now, Grabata. Didiretso. And there was a foul called. So, a 2-point opportunity for Grabata here. 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Grabata with his first attempt. That's good. Meron siyang chance to get a 1-point lead here. Again, Grabata with the second attempt. That's good.
Ano pagkakataon ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Seneta ang tatawid ng bola. Now jersey number 28 tries for that. No good, and a whistle coming from our referee.
Yan, ball possession na ngayon ng USI Falcons. Beconcile will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Of course, shoutout tayo dito kay Vincent Pacifico at kay John Mike Paz na nanonood sa atin live na live sa Bucal Facebook page. Now, Grabata. That's good.
And Seneta ang tatawid ng bola dito sa UNC Greyhounds. And passes to his teammates for the 3. No good.
Lumusot pa doon. Dito sa UNC Greyhounds now. Grabata didiretso. Wala rin.
Rebound coming from the side of UNC Greyhounds. Seneta will try, but for that second attempt, no good. What a great block.
Wow. Nag-uumpisa na ang init ng laban dito. Nagkakagawan pa ng bola. 13-10. Ball possession yan ng USI Falcons. Napatawag na nga ng timeout ang ating USI Falcons with 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining. 13-10. Tatlo po ang kalamangan ng ating USI Falcons. Of course, napakaganda nga ng umpisa ng laro para sa kanila. They are really going to get that win para sa dalawang koponan na ito. Pero bago ang lahat, syempre, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Michael Evan, John Lloyd Doblesa, at kay Nicole Dado. Thank you so much po sa inyong pag-antabay. Of course, sa Elite Sportswear, Big Steiner, at sa Havaianas na ating mga big sponsors for this season of Bucal. Now, back to the ball game tayo. Ball possession yan ng USI Falcons. Now, jersey number 77 to inbound. Hahanap dito ng papasahan. Grabata again. Didiretso sa loob. Wala pa rin.
Now, ball possession ng UNC Greyhounds. Ayun nga, jersey number 10. An offensive rebound, but for that second attempt, nakakuha dito ng puntos ang UNC Greyhounds, courtesy from Tuazon.
Now, Grabata. Team captain. Hahanap dito ng mapapasahan. Geronimo. Tries for 2. No good.
Now, Seneta ulit ang tatawid ngayon ng bola. Seneta dire-diretso dito sa gitna.
Another block by the Falcons, but still on the side of the Greyhounds.
Tuwazon ngayon to inbound.
Now still on the side of the Falcons, 34 seconds remaining. Didiretso. Pero offensive foul ang itatawag yan para kay Bonesile.
Na substitution on the side of the Greyhounds. Ipapasok ngayon si Baksain. Now Baksain to inbound. And passes to Seneta para itawid ang bola dito sa Greyhounds. Now Baksain. Passes to jersey number 9. Again to Wazon. In the middle for that fake, and it was a basket.
Now ball possession of the Falcons. 5 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Grabata tries for deep 3. Wala yan. And that's it. Yan po nagtatapos sa ating 13-14. Lamang po ng isa ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Magbabalik po kami para sa second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the ATENEO Dinaga GYMNASIUM para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating bakbakan. Again, a match between the USA Falcons and the UNC Greyhounds. Andito na nga tayo sa ating second quarter kung saan abante dito ng isa ang UNC Greyhounds. No ball possession. Ngayon ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Portasio to inbound. Passes to Seneta. Again, Portasio ngayon. Hahanapin ang kanyang teammate. Wasn't for that jump shot. No good. An offensive rebound but an out of bounds play. Now, chance ngayon ng USA Falcons para maitabla or malamangan dito ang UNC Greyhounds. But still, coming from Tuwazon and Baksain. A wasted opportunity para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now Grabata to inbound. Dire-diretso nga dito ang ating USA Falcons. And with that, abante dito ng isa ang kanilang koponan.
And the ball possession will go on the side of the USA Falcons. Grabata to inbound. Pass to Hoshan. Hoshan, didiretso kay Asis. That's good.
Abante na nga dito, Tin, ang ating USA Falcons. Now Tuwazon. Passes to Seneta. Seneta, ano kang gagawin? Passes to Baksain, and Baksain for that long three. Too long for that.
Now, Grabata. Double dribble lang naitawag dito kay Grabata. Mabalik ang bola sa UNC Greyhounds. 8 minutes, 42 seconds remaining on our second quarter. $14 seconds on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si IC. Hi IC, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. It is a close start for the UNC Greyhounds and USI Falcons. Coach Alvin told them to stick to the game plan and use the full court man-to-man defense. Malaki ang naging adjustments ng mga player, kaya naman kailangan talaga nilang pagtibayan ng kanilang depensa and to always put pressure on the ball. Coach also advised them to run and play with a purpose. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, IC, for that update. So yun nga, nabaliktad nga dito ang ating sitwasyon, but the UNC Greyhounds, they need to double their effort when it comes to their defense and offense para matabla or makalamang dito sa ating USI Falcons.
Wow, on the last sequence, napakaganda ng nangyari doon. Another free throw for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the USI Falcons, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chan. Hi Chan, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Rick and Tin. We need to win the game. Bawasan ang emosyon at gigil dahil nagsisimula pa lamang ang laro. Yan ang mga katagang sinabi ni Coach. Also, Coach Aye always stating to balance their zone defense and offense to execute the game properly as they are now leading the scoreboard. Yan muna ang update. Back to you, Rick and Tin.
Yun nga, thank you so much for that update, Chen. Napakinggan nga natin dito na kailangan ipatuloy ang magandang ginagawa ng ating USI Falcons, and with that last sequence nga, their team captain Grabata leading their team.
Now ball possession of the Greyhounds. Another block coming from the Falcons. And foul was called.
And now, Reyodique stepping on that free throw line for the 2-point opportunity. Reyodique, what a great basket on that first try. One more time for this UNC Greyhounds players. And it was good.
Now ball possession of the USI Falcons.
Tabla nga tayo dito, Tin, sa ating talaan. 19 all.
Now,
What a great steal coming from the Greyhounds. Tuloy-tuloy nga dito sa loob si Reyodique.
yan, malapit ang labanan ng dalawang kuponan na ito. Now, Grabata with the ball. Trying to go inside. No good.
And a great opportunity for the Greyhounds. Tuwazon dire-diretso ngayon. Another block. But a whistle coming from the referee.
So, ball possession yan ng ating USI Falcons. They have the chance to make this tie against the Greyhounds. Again, 10 to inbound. Passes to Grabata. Grabata now on the inside. That's good. With a foul. Now, Grabata will be on the free throw line for a bonus point.
Talagang magandang pinapakita dito ni Grabata para sa ating USI Falcons. Talaga namang team captain para dito sa kupunan ng Falcons.
That's
Dagdagan mo
good.
pa. And now, abante dito ng isa ang USI Falcons. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng Greyhounds. Now, Tuwazon. Passes to Reyodique.
Now on the corner, no good.
An offensive rebound, and now Tuwazon will try, but no good.
Ball possession of the Falcons. Grabata tries for deep three. That's good.
What a great point coming from Grabata. And now, ano kang gagawin ngayon ng Greyhounds to chase the lead coming from the Falcons? What a great pass and a great execution coming from Reo Dique.
Now, De La Merced passes to Segi. Segi trying to go inside. That's good. Another layup from them. They are now on the lead of 4 against the Greyhounds.
Now, jersey number 28 for that jump shot at pasok yun.
Now, back-to-back points for these two teams. Segi. Again. Still by Asis. Back-to-back steal here.
And now, libreng-libre dito ang UNC Greyhounds, courtesy of Portasio.
Now, we are again tied on 27 all for our second quarter. 5 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Now, Grabata taking their time here. What a great matchup between these two teams. But still ball possession yan ng ating USI Falcons.
Kanina pa tayo dito nakakakita ng deadlock sa larong ito. Talagang gustong manalo ng dalawang team na ito. And let's see kung sino ba ang aariba dito sa ating laro.
Now, Clima Costa will enter on the side of the USI Falcons. Sagi to inbound. 14 seconds to shoot. Hahanapin si Grabata on inside pero wala yan. Still, a foul was whistled. Again, Grabata will be on the free throw line. UNC Greyhounds is now on the penalty. First attempt of Grabata. That's good. He will try again for the second time. That's good.
Now back to 2-point lead para dito sa ating USI Falcons at mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang UNC Greyhounds. 29 against 27 with a remaining time of 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back again here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium with a matchup between the USI Falcons against the UNC Greyhounds. Nasa second quarter na po tayo with the remaining time of 5 minutes and 12 seconds. 29-27, a 2-point lead coming from the USI Falcons. Now, ball possession to ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, jersey number 28. Ang may hawak ngayon ng bola. Taking their time. A dip 3. No good. In and out. Pero offensive rebound dyan. The jersey number 10 na nakakagawa ng bola. Again, still Grabata of the Falcons. Didiretso sa loob. But the ball will stay on the side of the USI Falcons. Still a good performance coming from Grabata, the team captain of the Falcons here. Now he will inbound. Sagi. Again, no good. Nagkakagawa ng bola. Grabata again. Wala pa rin yan. But there was a whistled foul here. Still on the penalty for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Grabata will be on the free throw line again for 2 shots. Shoutout muna tayo dito kay Joshua Sardon, Jacila Marie, Nathalie Oliva at kay Adrian Bunye na nanonood sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat po. On the first attempt of Grabata on the free throw line, that's good. And he will try again for the second time. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining on our second quarter now. Tuazon on the side of the Greyhounds to inbound. Passes to Sineta. Sineta hanap dito ng mapapasahan. Passes to 25. Now 10 seconds to shoot on the side of the Greyhounds. Sineta again for deep 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Nasa baba dyan. Dito si Sagi. Sagi. Passes to Adorna. Grabata tries for 3. That's good!
And now, ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds. Sineta ang magtatawid ng bola ngayon. And now, Sineta. And at jersey number 25 for that 3, an offensive rebound para dito sa ating Greyhounds. Tuazon. Again, no good.
Now, ball possession on the side of the Falcons. Adorna. May hawak ngayon ng bola. They're taking their time here. Now, Grabata tries again for 3. No good. An offensive rebound. Wala pa rin.
And now, rebound on the side of the Greyhounds. Reyodique passes to Coros. And now, a whistle coming from our referee. Again, Reyodique on that free throw opportunity para dito sa ating Greyhounds. Again, Reyodique on that first attempt. No good. One more try for Reyodique.
Now, shout out tayo dito kay Nikki De Guzman, Esquivel Pardiñas Reynan, Christian Basilan, Jacqueline Forley Chavez at kay Cheston Paulo. Thank you so much po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, ball possession of the Falcons. Hoshan. Nagkakaguluhan dito. Segi. Passes to Adorna. Adorna papasok sa loob. Andyan si Clumocosa.
And now, what a great rebound coming from the UNC Greyhound. Tuazon ngayon itatawid ang bola. Passes to Sineta and Sineta. And a whistle foul. The ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And now Sineta will have the opportunity for that free throw.
No good for that first attempt.
One more try for Sineta. But this time, it was a basket.
Now, ball possession of the USI. Hoshan may hawak ng bola. Passes to Segi. Back on Hoshan. No good.
Now, chance for the Greyhounds. But a great steal coming from the USI Falcons.
Now Hoshan. Passes to Adorna. Adorna on the middle. No good pa rin.
Now, Coros passes to Guadalupe. Now, Guadalupe. Binigay dito kay Reyodique. And Reyodique makakakuha nga dito ng free throw.
Ayan, palitan na ng puntos ang dalawang kupunan na ito. They are really eager to get that win. Actually, to get their first win for the season of Bucal. And there.
Penalty na on the side of the USI Falcons. And now Rio Dique on that first try, and it was good. Isa pa para dito kay Rio Dique. Hindi talaga lumalayo sa isa't isa ang score ng dalawang koponan na ito. And with that last point, bumaba dito sa 3 ang kalamangan ng Falcons.
Now, ball possession of the Falcons. Adorna. Pass to Hoshan. Hoshan now. Pass to Beconcile. On the corner. Adorna, no good.
What a great steal. Coming from jersey number 28 and pasok ngayon on that last sequence. And with that, bumaba dito sa isa ang kalamangan ng USI Falcons. Mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang Falcons. 34-33 sa ating talaan.
Ayan nga, Rick, nakahabol pa ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Sa ating second quarter, isa na lamang po ang kanilang hinahabol. But as for the side of the USI Falcons, mas kailangan pa nilang pag-igihan para mas mapalaki pa ang kalamangan nila. It's 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining sa ating first half.
Yan, Tin, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga big sponsor. We have the Havaianas, Elise Sportswear, and Big's Diner. Thank you so much po for your support. And
ayan, Rick. Both teams are really good. Pinapakita talaga nila yung best nila for this matchup.
A great game to end the game here in ATENEO GYMNASIUM.
Now back to the ball game tayo. Both teams are now on the penalty. Got 34-33. A minute and 35 seconds remaining for our first half.
So wala pa tayong nakikitang malaking kalamangan dito sa dalawang koponan nito. Talagang naghahabulan lang at nagpapalitan ng puntos ang ating Falcons at Greyhounds. Back to the ball game tayo, Tin. Ball possession ngayon
ng USI Falcons. Adorna to inbound. Hoshan. Nagmamadali dito. Miscommunication on their side.
And now, chance for the Greyhounds to have score. Guadalupe ngayon ibibigay kay Seneta. Seneta ang tatawid ng bola. Back to Guadalupe. Taking his time. Now Seneta ibibigay kay Guadalupe, and Guadalupe no good for that.
Now Beconcile. Passes to Adorna. Hoshan ngayon may hawak ng bola. Babalik kay Adorna. Papasok sa loob. But there was a foul here. So a 2-point opportunity para dito kay Adorna to make the lead on 3.
And now, substitution para dito sa Greyhounds. Agnas is in.
Now for the first attempt of Adorna. That's good.
Back to 2-point lead para dito sa ating Falcons.
He can make it on 3 for the second attempt of Adorna. That's good.
And now, Guadalupe to inbound. Passes to Agnas. Agnas ngayon ang tatawid ng bola. Greyhounds, ano kang gagawin ngayon ni Guadalupe? Passes to Agnas for that long 3. No good. An offensive rebound. And that is good for Rio Dique.
39 seconds remaining. Hoshan. Pass to Beconcile. Di diretso yan dito. Kay Climacosa, wala pa rin.
And now, Guadalupe ngayon, dire-diretso sa loob. Passes to jersey number 28, and it was good.
Now, Just remaining 16 seconds. Greyhounds is now on the lead of 1. Adorna, wala. Offensive rebound. Tries again. That's good. Back again on the Falcons. Ang lead. 38-37.
Wazon to Coros. And Coros. Not good on that last attempt. And that's the end of our second quarter, 38-37. Abangan natin ang ating second half sa pagbabalik dito ng ating Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
We are back live here at the ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium for our third quarter. It's the battle of the Usi Falcons versus the UNC Greyhounds. Pero Rick, bago tayo magsimula, shoutout muna kay Juliana Andrea Reyes. Galing pa yan kay number 3, Beconcile ng USI Falcons. Hi daw po. And of course, shoutout din kay Jan Basales at Kim Monteroso na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
Yan, back to the ball game tayo din. And now, Chorus ngayon ang may hawak ng bola para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. One more try for the Greyhounds, no good.
Now, ball possession of the USI Falcons. On the div 3, no good for Beconcile.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds, but an out of bounds.
Now, ball possession of the USI Falcons. Dito, Rick, sa ating halftime analysis, madami-dami dito ang field goals ng ating UNC Greyhounds. But on the offensive rebounds, marami rin sila, kaya maraming puntos ang nilang nagawa. And as for the turnovers, marami po ang naitala ng USI Falcons. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the USI Falcons, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Rick and Tin. We are now at the half quarter. The head coach commanded to the boys to always set a break. Bigyan ng sipag sa loob ng hardcourt at lalong-lalo na ay huwag magpadala sa pressure as they are going to do the 2-3 defense. Dagdag pa ni coach na let the Falcons win this game. Yan muna ang update. Back to you, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun nga, hindi pwedeng maging kampante dito ang ating USI Falcons kasi ang UNC Greyhounds talagang humahabol sa kanila. A great defense and offense ang kailangan ng both teams para makakuha ng magandang play dito.
Now, still nasa USI Falcons sa kalamangan. Now, Adorna with the ball possession. Krabata ngayon may hawak. On the inside, that's good! May kasama pang foul. At para makarinig naman tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si IC. Hi IC, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. The game is on fire despite sa kalamangan ng kalaban. Hindi tumitigil si Coach Alvin sa pagpapaalala sa mga players na pagtibayan ng kanilang depensa as they use the 2-1-2 defense. Make sure to anticipate all the passes at huwag basta-basta aagaw ng bola and to properly execute their game plan. Thank you, Rick and Tin. Yan muna ang update sa side ng Greyhounds. Back to the panel.
Much IC sa pag-update, and yun nga, kailangan dito mag-extra effort ng ating UNC Greyhounds kasi abante dito ang ating USI Falcons. A great pass and great basket ang kailangan daw ng UNC Greyhounds para maitay at makalamang dito sa game na ito.
Now, ball possession of the USI Falcons. Adorna, Divison. Now, Grabata again with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot for the USI Falcons.
Great rebound coming from the UNC Greyhounds. But too strong on that pass. Turnover para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Divison or jersey number 77 to inbound. Still, nasa USI Falcons ang kalamangan. 45-39. Another steal for the Greyhounds.
Tuwazon. And makakakuha nga dito na magandang play ang ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Divison. Ooh,
Another steal coming from the Greyhounds. And now Portasio. Dire-diretso dito para sa Greyhound. Nagawan nga ng bola dito.
Now, Sagi with that rebound. Adorna. Hahanap dito ng mapapasahan. They are taking their time here. 6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Adorna, pupunta kay Grabata ang bola. Tries for 3, no good.
Tuazon for the rebound. Looking for his teammate and a great block coming from Grabata.
Wala pa rin.
And now, UNC Greyhound ang tatawid ng bola. What a great move, but no good on that last attempt.
Yeah, napakaganda sana ng mga puntos na yun kaso hindi pumapasok. Now Adorna of the Falcons. Passes to Division. Grabata tries for 3 on the corner, no good.
Tuazon again on the rebound. And now Portasio ngayon ang tatawid ng bola. Now Tuazon. Passes in the middle, but out of bounds. Bola pa rin ito ng UNC Greyhounds. Now Tuazon to inbound. And Sabadao with that great play.
Now Grabata. Just a 2-point lead by the USI Falcons here. Hindi dapat nila iwan yan. Grabata. Passes on the inside.
What a
That's
great
good.
pass.
Yes.
And now, Portasio ibibigay kay Sabadao. Portasio in the middle, too strong. But an assist coming from jersey number 25, Guadalupe. And with that, balik dito sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng USI Falcons.
And out of bounds. 47-45. Dalawa pa rin po ang kalamangan ng ating USI Falcons. 5 minutes and 1 second remaining para sa ating third quarter. Now, ball possession of the Falcons. Grabata to inbound. Babad na babad din si Grabata sa larong ito against the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Adorna. Pass to Segi. Segi to Grabata again. Tries for 3. No good.
Chance ngayon ng Greyhounds. Long 3, no good. An offensive rebound coming from Sabadao. And now Tuazon on that free throw line para sa 2-point opportunity. Chance nilang maitay ang game na ito. No good on that first attempt. One more try for Tuazon. The ball will stay on the side of the Greyhounds, and now Tuazon to inbound. Looking for his teammate. Kanino kaya ibibigay? Passes to Guadalupe. Now Guadalupe given to jersey number 27, Sabadao.
Now we are tied again on 47 para sa ating third quarter. Now Grabata papasok sa loob. But there was a whistle foul here. So, a 2-point opportunity for Grabata here.
Mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang Falcons. 47 deadlock again on our third quarter with a remaining time of 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. panalo na.
We are back again here at the ATENEO Dinaga University Gymnasium, 47 all para sa ating third quarter. 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. And now, Grabata will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. So this would be a chance to get a lead again. No good for that first attempt. Now, we'll try again for the second time to get a 1-point lead against the UNC Greyhounds. Grabata for the second time. No good! Ball possession ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. They have the chance to take on the lead against the Usi Falcons. Now, passes on jersey number 12, but a traveling violation was committed on the side of the Greyhounds. Again, Grabata passes to Adorna. Now, 19 passes to Adorna again. Pa rin.
Chance ngayon ng Greyhounds para makalamang sa Badaw, and it was good.
UNC Greyhounds now take on the lead against the USI Falcons. Now Grabata, what will he do? But there was a whistled foul here. So again, ball possession pa rin yan ng ating USI Falcons. Grabata. Pass to Segi. Grabata again to take on the lead. That's good. Another deadlock sa ating third quarter. 49 all.
And now, Guadalupe. Tatawin ngayon ng bola para sa Greyhounds. Passes to Tuazon, and Tuazon for that long three. Masyadong malayo. And with that, the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds again. Again and again, Teen, a deadlock para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Matindi talagang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan ito. Tuazon, one more try. No good.
Now, Baidal with that rebound. Adorna. Passes to Grabata. Grabata taking his time. Passes to Baidal again. Now, back to Grabata. But there was a 3 seconds violation committed by the USI Falcons. So ball possession yan ng ating Greyhounds.
Now, Greyhounds to inbound. And a substitution. Seneta ibabalik dito sa kupunan ng Greyhounds. Now, Guadalupe. Looking for his teammate. Now, Tuazon again. Passes to Seneta. And Seneta on that corner pocket. No good.
Segi with the rebound again. Grabata. This is the chance of the Falcons to get on the lead again. Now, Adorna. Handling the ball on the corner for Segi. No good.
Ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds and Tuazon. What a wasted opportunity.
Now, Beconcile. Bonesile is now on the court together with the USI Falcons. Again, shoutout kay Juliana Andrea Reyes. Galing yan kay Jayan Darwin Bonesile ng USI Falcons.
Now, Guadalupe passes to Seneta, and Seneta delivers. And with that, abante dito ng dalawa ang UNC Greyhounds.
Baidal. Papasok sa loob. Hindi pa rin yan. Offensive rebound. Tries again, Panganiban, no good. But there was a whistled foul here. Grabe, dikitan lang yung laban nitong Greyhounds at Falcons. So, hindi natin alam kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng panalo for our last matchup. Now, Panganiban is on the free throw line to tie again the game. That's good for his first attempt. Panganiban for his second try. No good. Still on the lead, Greyhounds. 25.
Now, Coros. Magkakaroon nga dito ng free throw opportunity si Coros on that last sequence. Now, Coros. And it was good. Again, back to 2-point lead para sa koponahan ng Greyhounds. Again, Coros ngayon. And dagdagan mo pa ng isa at 3-point lead on the side of Greyhounds.
No, Adorna. Nahihirapan na steal.
What a great sale coming from Guadalupe, and Guadalupe delivers. What a great play.
Yan, naitaas na nga sa 5 kalamangan ng Greyhounds with 57 seconds remaining. Now, Bodesile for a dip 3, no good. Offensive rebound, wala pa rin. .46 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. 5 kalamangan ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Mukhang nakakuha na nila dito ang kanilang ritmo.
A traveling violation was called on the players of the Greyhounds.
Now chance for the Falcons to lessen that gap. Grabata. Now taking their time here. Papasok sa loob ng mag-isa. Pati dyan si Panganiban, wala pa rin. Stepping on the line. Still, ball possession ng USI Falcons.
And then nga, Tuazon is down on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Let's wait
I
for
think
the...
this would be the third player on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Mag-shoutout muna tayo, Tin, sa ating mga live Facebook viewers. Thank you so much po sa panunood ni Lisel Puerta at ni Ray Puerta. Happy watching.
Shoutout din kay Gary Reyes.
Yun nga, marami talagang nakatutok sa atin ngayon. And shoutout din kay Jetroel Barredo. Thank you so much for your support.
And of course, shoutout dito kina Chen at Ali na nanonood pa rin hanggang ngayon. Our courtside reporters kanina na nakasama nga natin. And still,
Yun nga, Tin. Again, Tuazon is still down on the side of Greyhounds. And with that, substitution para dito sa koponahan ng Greyhounds.
now 23 seconds remaining. 1 ball possession for the Falcons. Shoutout din dito kay Kay Felices na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Well, Grabata on the free throw line for 2 shots. 21 seconds remaining on our third quarter. No good for that first attempt. Still, mahaba-haba pa to para sa dalawang kupunan. 50-55. Second time. That's good.
And now, Greyhounds to inbound. Guadalupe chooses his teammate Reyodique, and Reyodique for that second chance point, and it was good.
Now Adorna. 5 seconds remaining. Grabata tries to shoot. No good. And that ends our third quarter. 51-57. Naitaas nga sa anim ang kalamangan dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Magbabalik po kami for the last quarter. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back again here at the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for the fourth and last quarter of the matchup between the USI Falcons and the UNC Greyhounds. Lamang na po ng anim ang UNC Greyhounds. It's 51-57. Now as we are entering the last quarter, this would be a ball possession of the UNC Greyhounds.
And now Seneta to inbound for the UNC Greyhounds. Chooses Guadalupe. And now Seneta, dire-diretso sa loob. An offensive rebound on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, but still coming from Grabata. And now Grabata ngayon, dire-diretso sa gitna, at yun nga, a great basket. Now Guadalupe, ibibigay dito kay Coros.
But ball possession now of the Falcons. Hoshan passes to Bonesile. Bonesile back to Hoshan. Now team captain Grabata taking their time. That's good for Grabata. Naibaba na nga sa dalawang kalamangan dito ng USI Falcons.
Now ball possession ngayon ng Greyhounds. No good.
Now Segi with that rebound. Bonesile tries to get that. No good. Ball possession pa rin ng USI Falcons. Bonesile to inbound. At para makarinig tayo ng update,
on the bench of the USI Falcon, let's call our courtside reporter, Chen. Hi, Chen. Kumusta?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. We are now at the last quarter. The coaches always keep reminding the boys about the fast recovery dahil hindi nagkakalayo ang score sa pagitan ng Falcons at Greyhounds. So this is their last push to establish a strong man-to-man defense and to take on the lead dahil naniniwala ang Falcons na kanila ang larong ito. Yan muna ang update. Back to you, Rick and Tin.
now, bola nga.
Yan nga. The USI Falcons still believing that this matchup is for them. Dalawa na nga lang ang hinahabol dito against the UNC Greyhounds. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si IC. Hi IC, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. We are in the last quarter of the game. And I saw how eager the Greyhounds are to really win this game. Sabi nga ni Coach Alvin, they need to work out on their individual defense. Iwasan ang ma-foul, and most importantly, they need to strengthen their backs-out defense. Coach Alvin also added that to go hard on the basket and apply pressure on the ball. These are the new updates from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, IC, for that update. Pero yun nga, grabe, abante dito ng isa ang ating USI Falcons na baliktad pa nga dito ang ating scoreboard. Again, this is
60-59 sa ating talaan. Isa lamang po ang kalamangan dyan ng USI Falcons. 7:29 remaining on our fourth and last quarter. Grabe yung bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na to, Rick. Balitan lang ng puntos, kaya hindi mo alam kung sino nga ba ang mananalo for this game. Tamang-tama talaga na sila magsasarado ng laro ngayong araw na ito. Now, we are back on the ball game. Still, mahirap malaman kung sino nga ba ang makakuha ng panalo. Dahil parehong kupunan na ito, gutom sa panalo for this season of Bucal.
tamang-tama ka dyan, Tin. And now, ball possession ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Let's see kung makakaabante ba dito ang kanilang kupunan.
Now, back to the ball game tayo.
And now, Portasio to inbound. Passes to jersey number 28. A jump shot, no good for the UNC Greyhounds, but an offensive rebound para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. And this time, a great basket.
Now, Grabata. To Hoshan. Na nagmamadali na ang USI Falcons. On the inside, wala yan for Panganiban, but there was a whistled foul here. So there's a chance to tie again the game or take on a 1-point lead for the USI Falcons. Now Panganiban on the free throw line. That's good for his first attempt. Again, we are deadlocked on 61 all. A chance to get a lead here. Panganiban tries for his second time. No good. Still an offensive rebound. Wala pa rin.
Now, Coros ngayon ang may dala ng bola. Passes to jersey number 28 para sa Greyhounds. And now, jump shot para dito sa koponan ng Greyhounds para rebound on the side of this USI Falcons.
Now, Hoshan. Chance to take on the lead. Yan nga, natawagan pa ng foul dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Still, ball possession of the USI Falcons. Chance to take a lead again for our last quarter. Now, a steal for the Greyhounds.
And now, jersey number 28 passes to jersey number 9 of Greyhounds. Rio Dique on that.
Napakagandang jump shot mula kay Rio Dique. Now, Grabata. Babawi. Pero wala yan. Miscommunication on the side of the Falcons. Ball possession yan ng Greyhounds.
And now, Greyhounds ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola. Jersey number 28. Portasio for that long three, no good. An offensive rebound. Rayo Dique on that last sequence. Again, great basket.
Grabe yung shooting dito ni Rayo Dique. Napakaganda. Pasok kung pasok. Now, nawala ang bola.
One more time for Rayo Dique.
Pero that's an offensive foul. Kaya there's no chance to get that point. So, ball possession ng USI Falcons. Apat ng kalamangan dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, Sege to inbound. 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining para sa ating last match for today. Segi. Hoshan or Adorna may hawak ng bola ngayon. Grabata, team captain. Anong gagawin kaya dito? Papasok sa loob. Pero there was a foul called here. So a 2-point opportunity was given to the team captain, Grabata. He will be on the free throw line. 5 minutes and 29 seconds remaining.
Basket para dito kay Grabata. Naibaba nga dito sa tatlo ang kanilang hahabulin on this fourth and final quarter dito sa game na ito. Again, basket para dito kay Grabata, and with that, 2 points na lamang dito ang kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds. Koros, ibibigay dito kay jersey number 25, Guadalupe. Now, Guadalupe, pasok nga ito.
Now, Adorna. Humahabol ng 4 points. But the ball will go on the side of the USI Falcons. Bukas po abangan nyo for our first game for the juniors basketball is the Pasakaw Academy versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins. For the second game, it's the USI Falcons versus the CCDI Wildcats for the seniors basketball. Susundan po yan ng ating NCF Cubs against the Annunciation Panthers Juniors Basketball and against Seniors Basketball of the SVC Rams and the UNC Greyhounds. Kaya stay tuned lamang po kayo dito sa Oragon Sports TV and the Bucal Facebook page dahil maganda pong laban ang ipapakita namin sa inyo bukas. Ang kickball violation na itawag dito kay Grabata. Still ball possession of the Greyhounds.
And now jersey number 28 to inbound. Now Guadalupe. Kanino ibibigay? Back to jersey number 28. And jersey number 9 for that 3 points.
Wow. What a big 3. Another steal on the Greyhound side. A block, but still, ball possession ng Greyhounds.
Again, ang gandang pinapakitang depensa dito ng UNC Greyhounds, but a whistle was called on the players of the Greyhounds.
Pito na ang hinahabol dito ng USI Falcons. 63-70 na patawag na nga ng timeout ang ating USI Falcons with the remaining 4 minutes. Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back on our final game here in Bucal Season 5. Again, abante dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds, and let's see kung anong gagawin ditong gameplay ng ating USI Falcons.
Now, Bonesile is on the free throw line for 2 shots. Sayang yun for the first attempt. Now he'll try again for the second time. 63-70. 4 minutes and 16 seconds remaining for our last quarter. Now, Bonesile for his second attempt. No good pa rin.
What a great rebound on the side of the Greyhounds. And now, jersey number 8, Seneta. Ang may hawak ngayon ng bola. Out of bounds ball. So a turnover committed by the Greyhounds.
Now, time for the Falcons to get a point here. Adorna. Pass to Segi. But there was a traveling violation committed by Segi. So ball possession ulit po ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Geronimo papasok muli sa side ng Falcons.
Jersey number 21 ang may hawak ngayon ng bola.
That's good for Seneta. 9-point lead. Grabata or Adorna nagmamadali. That's good. Naibaba muli sa 7.
And now Seneta ngayon ang tatawid ng bola para sa Greyhounds. But a great steal coming from Grabata.
Now, wala pa rin, but an offensive rebound from Panganiban. But there was a traveling violation committed by Panganiban. Babalik muli sa Greyhounds ang bola.
What a great steal. And now bola again ngayon ng Greyhounds. Seneta dire-diretso sa gitna, and yun nga. What a great play.
Another medic for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. This would be their 4th time. 65-72. 7 po ang hinahabol dito ng USI Falcons with 3 minutes remaining. Ball possession ngayon ng USI Falcons. Now, Grabata with the ball. Papasok sa loob. But there was a whistled foul here. Another 2-point opportunity on the side of the Falcons. Now, Grabata. That's good for his first attempt. We'll try again for the second time. That's good again for Grabata.
And now jersey number 28. Dire-diretso sa loob. And what a great basket.
Yan, napakaganda ng shooting dito ng UNC. Now, Geronimo, passes to Adorna. Malayo-layo ang hahabulin nila dito. Grabata. But there was a traveling violation Again, napapadami ng violation dito ng USI Falcons. 67-76 on our scoreboard.
And now, UNC ang tatawid ng bola. At tatawagan nga dito ng foul si jersey number 28 ng Greyhounds.
Now, ball possession of the Falcons. Geronimo will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. 67-76, 9-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining. Now for his first attempt. That's good. Tries again for the second time. No good. Still, ball possession ng USI Falcons. This would be their chance to get a point. An 8-point lead on the side of the Greyhounds. Now, Grabata. Hahanap dito papasahan. Adorna. Nahihirapan sa depensa ng Greyhounds. Babalik kay Grabata ang bola. Tries for 3. That's good! Naibaba na nga sa libang kalamangan ng Greyhounds. We are now on the last 2 minutes of our last matchup.
Now, Seneta. Dire-diretso sa loob. A nice rebound coming from Grabata.
Now, Grabata. The USI Falcons nabuhayan dito. Another shot coming from Grabata. 3 na lamang ang hinahabol nila dito. Napatawag na nga ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds. 73-76, a minute and 43 seconds remaining. Grabe. Nahabol pa ng USI Falcons.
And credits that to Grabata. Grabe. Grabe talagang pinapakita dito ng team captain ng USI Falcons. Talagang laban kung laban.
Yes, napakaganda ng ating mga last sequence na yon. And of course, kudos sa lahat ng supporters ng USI Falcons and UNC Greyhounds na present ngayon dito sa loob ng ATENEO Dinaga University Gymnasium. Maraming salamat po. Mahaba-haba po itong 1 minute and 43 seconds para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. And we can't really say kung sino nga ba ang mananalo. 73-76, a 3-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Now, we are now back on the ball game.
Again, nabuhayan dito tin ang side ng Falcons with that back-to-back points coming from Grabata. Let's see kung anong gagawin ngayong depensa ng ating UNC Greyhounds pagdating dito kay Grabata.
Now, ball possession to ng Greyhounds. What will happen?
And now, Portasio. Ibibigay dito kay Seneta. Now, Seneta ngayon ang tatawid ng bola para sa Greyhounds. Seneta! What a great pass. But a whistle coming from our referee. And with that, Tuazon mabibigyan dito ng opportunity para dagdagan ng kanilang kalamangan on the side of Greyhounds.
Yes. 1 minute and 32 seconds. That's good. Balik sa 4 ng kalamangan.
Ang kalamangan dito ng UNC Greyhounds.
Now Falcons trying to get a point. Geronimo tries for 3. No good. It's too short. A minute and 21 seconds.
Now, Tatawagan dito ng foul si Asis. So balik dito sa Greyhounds ang ating bola. Now Seneta, hahanapin ang kanyang teammate. And now Seneta to inbound for the Greyhounds. Passes to Guadalupe. And Guadalupe ngayon taking his time and looking for his teammate. Guadalupe to Tuazon. But a whistle was called on the player of this Falcons.
Yes. Tawagan muli ng foul si Geronimo. 73-78. Still a 5-point lead coming from the Greyhounds. 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining.
And now Seneta to inbound for the Greyhounds. Looking for his teammate at now Guadalupe ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. Dire-diretso sa gitna. Pinasa kay Tuazon and pasok on that last sequence.
Na nagmamadali dito si Adorna. Adorna hahanap ng papasahan. Still ball possession niya ng USI Falcons.
Mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng Falcons kasi 54 seconds na lang natitira dito sa ating laro. Ano kayang gagawin ditong masinsinang gameplay ng ating USI Falcons?
73-80. 7-point lead lamang po ang hinahabol dito ng USI Falcons. Still, 54 seconds. Marami pang mangyayari yan. At abangan niyo po bukas ang ating kaabang-abang na mga laro. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV. And of course, live na live dito sa loob ng ATENEO Dinaga University GYMNASIUM. Again, for our first game tomorrow, it's the Pasakaw Academy versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins for the juniors basketball. Now, we are back on the hard court for the remaining 54 seconds of our last game. It's the USI Falcons against the UNC Greyhounds. What a good fight between these two teams. Now, Adorna to inbound. Now, Adorna, hahanap ng mapapasahan dito. Grabata was there. Whoa! Wow! What a great last sequence coming from Grabata. A lifesaver from the side of the USI Falcons. A great 2 points na may kasama pang foul. Now, he will be on the free throw line for a 3-point opportunity. 75-80. Humahabol po ang USI Falcons ng 5 puntos.
What a game coming from these two teams. Talagang sulit na sulit for the final game dito sa ating Sabado matchup.
Now, offensive rebound again by the USI Falcons, but the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
And now, Seneta ngayon to inbound for the UNC Greyhounds.
.47 seconds.
And now, Seneta chooses Guadalupe, and now Guadalupe itatawid ngayon ang bola. Now, Tuazon passes to jersey number 28. 31 seconds on the time.
May kasama pang foul. Now, chance for the Greyhounds. A 3-point opportunity. 7-point lead. Pwede pang maging 8. 28 seconds remaining.
Now, UNC Greyhounds for the opportunity. No good.
7-point lead ang inahabol dito ng Falcons. Adorna. May hawak ng bola. Munti ka na mawala. Grabata was there. Again, no good.
Tuwazon for the rebound. And yun nga, bola again ng ating UNC Greyhounds. 10 seconds remaining. Naagaw pa nga dito. Grabata for that last point. No good. Guadalupe. And that ends our game. Panalo nga dito ang ating UNC Greyhounds with a score of 82 against 75 for the Falcons. Tutok lamang kayo, abangan ang ating best player of the game dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
today's match, we saw both teams compete with class, but only one side could claim the victory. Congratulations to the UNC Greyhounds. The best player of the game is brought to you by Lemon Residences Experience Home Living. Here with me is the best player of the game, jersey number 28, John Roy Amaro, with 14 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and 3 steals. Good afternoon. Congratulations for being the best player for today's game. Can you please tell us how are you feeling right now na ikaw ang naging best player for this game?
Masaya po kasi nag-best player of the game po.
Despite the pressure na na-feel ninyo kanina dahil sa dikit ng laban against the Falcon, how do you stay motivated?
Siguro po mag-ensayo po sa araw-araw po.
Dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na ang mga gusto mong batiin.
Shoutout ko po sa UNC community and sa coaches namin and sa mga taga-Catanduanes po, sa mga nanonood.
There you have it, everyone. This has been IC Cortez, your courtside reporter from the bench of the University of Nueva Cáceres, only here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And that was our best player of the game, jersey number 28, John Roy Amaro, with 14 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, and 3 steals. Grabe yung pinakitang performance dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds as well as the USI Falcons. What a great way to end our match for the day.
Yan, Tin, pasalamatan nga natin ang mga tao behind this success, our Bucal executives, at pasalamatan naman natin dito ang ating mga commentators, ang ating courtside reporter, ang ating mga statistician, at syempre ang ating mga live viewers and audiences here at ATENEO Dinaga Gymnasium. Patuloy lamang sa pag-subscribe at pag-follow sa ating mga Facebook pages ng Bucal at ng One Media TV 48 para masaksihan ang inat ng bakbakan dito sa loob ng hardcourt.
Ayan, Rick, abangan nyo po bukas ang ating first game. It's the Pasakaw Academy versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins for the juniors basketball. Again, I am Cristina Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta.
Dito lang po yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.